Hey guys, if your Bose soundbar is not responding to your remote control, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you a few ways that you can solve this. So the first thing we need to do is just make sure that nothing is obstructing your Bose soundbar. So if you do have anything in front of the soundbar, you can see I've got a couple of ornaments at the moment in front of it. You're going to go ahead and remove these to avoid anything blocking the signal. Then once you've made sure nothing is obstructing the soundbar, you also just want to check the batteries in your remote to make sure they're fully charged. Now if nothing is blocking your soundbar and also all of the batteries are in order, then what we're going to do is just head round to the back of the soundbar and you need to unplug it from the power like so. Once you've unplugged this from the wall socket, we're then going to head round to the front, grab your soundbar remote control and then just come round to the back of it like so. Remove the battery case from the back here and we're just going to take out both of the batteries. You can see inside of mine I've got some AA batteries in here at the moment, but you might have some different batteries depending on your specific model. So once we remove these batteries, what you'll need to do is head round to the front of the remote and we're just going to hold down this power button for 10 seconds. Once you've held the power button down for 10 seconds, we can then release this button and you're going to go through each of the buttons on your remote control and just quickly firmly press them down like so. So just go through all of these, go up and down to make sure you don't miss any, because sometimes what can happen, dirt or debris can build up around these buttons and it could cause one of the buttons to get stuck and this could cause the entire remote to malfunction. So just go through all of these buttons and make sure they're free and completely loose like so. And once we've done that, we can then head back round to the back of the remote and you're just going to reinsert the batteries into here. Then you can put the battery case back on as well. Head back round to the back of the soundbar and re-plug it back into the power. Make sure everything is powered up and turned on, and then we can come back over to our remote and check to see if our soundbar is now working. So hopefully that's now solved the issue for you. You can also try cleaning the sensor at the top here. You can just use a cloth to wipe this down to make sure there's no dirt or anything blocking the signal. And by following all of the steps in this video, that should have now fixed any remote control issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.